Hello everyone, welcome to my first YouTube reaction video. I'm Dr. Rishabh Jain, and in this video I'll be reacting to a recent video that came onto my timeline by Dr. Darshan Patel. He is a MS General Surgery resident from AIIMS Jodhpur, and he recently uploaded a video wherein he promoted Marrow app for first and second prof students, and while simultaneously demoting Aditya and me. He did not name both of us, but he said that AIIMS Delhi doctors and students who are giving advices on YouTube regarding first and second year PG prep, and he said that we are giving wrong advices and misleading students and have ulterior motives to talk about standard textbooks and other resources that we frequently talk about. So I'm just here for three things. First, I have no issues with anybody promoting any app, and frankly I loved watching Darshan's video. I used to watch all his videos, and in most of them he used to promote Marrow app, and I had no problem with that. Second, but why am I still here for this reaction video? Because he brought AIIMS Delhi into it. Second, because he was instilling fear mongering in first and second year students. And third, because he said don't read standard textbooks in first and second prof. So I'll come onto each of these topics separately, but let's watch what he has to say.
सकते हो बात तो सही है. Now overall agenda promoted there is Marrow is not ideal for first and second year students because वो लोगों को ये vast and complex lectures नहीं देखने चाहिए. ये इतने ज्यादा vast lectures है Marrow में कि वो आपका टाइम ही बर्बाद करेगा. उसका फायदा तो है नहीं बल्कि नुकसान ज्यादा है. एंड अगर आप Marrow नहीं पढ़ोगे तो और क्या पढ़ सकते हो वो भी आपको वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. दे आर सजेस्टिंग आपको पढ़नी चाहिए हार्पर, गैनन, गाइटन, रॉबिन्स एंड ऐसी ऐसी बुक्स जो सुन के आप बोलोगे ये क्या है. एंड
So standard textbooks should be read in MBBS first and second prof hands down. इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. एंड अगर आपको कोई ऐसा बोल रहा है कि ये रॉबिन्स क्या है, ये कौन सी टेक्स्ट बुक है, ये क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं, सो प्लीज स्टे अवे फ्रॉम देम. स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक स्पेशली रॉबिन्स, अगर कोई और फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड प्रॉफ में बुक नहीं पढ़नी, बट डू प्लीज रीड रॉबिन्स. इट इज़ अ जेम ऑफ अ बुक. इट इज़ वन बुक विच विल हेल्प यू थ्रू आउट योर MBBS, throughout your even PG, and even some of our consultants even quote Robbins. So please stay away from anybody who says standard textbooks, especially Robbins जैसी standard textbook in first and second year नहीं पढ़नी चाहिए.
नॉट इवन कंसिस्टेंट विद देयर ओन वर्ड्स. दूसरे वीडियो में वो कोई अलग ही एप्लीकेशन या बुक प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. कभी USMLE फर्स्ट एड, कभी डॉक्टर नजीब के वीडियोस, कभी आपने कभी सुनी ना होगी ऐसी इंटरनेशनल बुक्स या फिर ह्यूज स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक्स या फिर डिफरेंट कोचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स.
अगर हम करें तो करें क्या, बोले तो बोले क्या.
एंड आपको अगर मेरी बातों पे विश्वास ना आता हो तो खुद देख लेना जाके. आई डोंट नो हाउ MBBS स्टूडेंट्स आर सो डम दैट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द मोटिव बिहाइंड दोज एडवाइसेस.
So what is the motive? I mean, I don't know what is the motive that we have promoting standard textbooks. Robbins, Harper, Ganong, these standard textbooks don't give us money because they don't have to. Everybody has been reading them for time immemorial, and there is a reason for it. So I'll tell you about my story. So in first year, I read a book called Bijlani. So it was written by one of a very senior passed out retired professors from physiology, and I did not read Ganong or Guyton because people told me that Bijlani पढ़ लोगे तो उससे हो जाएगा. And frankly मेरे prof हो गए पास Bijlani पढ़ने से, but I was so weak in physiology throughout my MBBS. Even for PG, physiology was one of my weakest subjects, and I had not read it from standard textbook. I read Harper, I read Lippincott, and so biochemistry was one of my strong subjects. And even I was confident कि biochemistry तो मैं कर लूँगा. Similarly for anatomy, I annotated everything in letters. I did read B.D. Chaurasia because I thought Gray's Anatomy was a huge book, but I again used letters. Similarly for my second prof, I made sure that I read Robbins. Robbins is, and gladly in our college, Robbins is one book which is preached by everybody. From seniors, कोई भी हो, nobody says कि don't read Robbins, and it is one of a very good book which you should definitely read. So let's watch what he has to say about Marrow next.
Marrow is vast and not necessary, but just don't believe them. आगे का जमाना भैया बहुत ही ज्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव होने वाला है. पूरी दुनिया Marrow ले रही है, लेती रहेगी. अगर आप नहीं लोगे तो आपका ही नुकसान होने वाला है. Because there is something best about this platform.
So आप नहीं लोगे तो आपका ही नुकसान होने वाला है. अगर Marrow नहीं लोगे तो और क्या ऑप्शन है आपके पास? I mean, so this is so I want to talk about how this whole system works. So if you start taking Marrow from first and second year, you are completely dependent on that app. अगर आपको कोई ऐसा सीनियर बोल रहा है कि अगर आप फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ईयर में मैरो नहीं लोगे तो और ऑप्शन क्या है आपके पास, सो यू आर स्टक एंड बिलीविंग कि मेरे पास एक्चुअली कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, एंड सो यू गेट मैरो. नाउ you get marrow in first year, you renew it every 6 months by giving 10 to 15,000, you renew it in third prof, fourth prof internship, because you are used to that platform, you haven't read any textbook, and since your only source of knowledge for your entire studies was one app, you are forced to keep on renewing it and read it for your entire MBBS. एंड सो इससे आपके इतने ज़्यादा रुपए खर्च हो जाते हैं, एंड यू आर डिपेंडेंट ओनली ऑन वन ऐप. एंड साइमल्टेनियसली फॉर फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड प्रॉफ यू हैवंट रेड एनी स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक, एंड सो आपको स्टैंडर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ने की आदत भी नहीं हो पाएगी. सो इन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड प्रॉफ आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव you should read standard textbook, especially for pathology, especially for physiology, and especially for biochemistry. These are very, very good written books. And why you should read standard textbooks, so I'll come to that in a minute. So my whole problem was this video was just because of two things: A, demoting standard textbooks, and B, fear mongering amongst first year students, especially telling them तो options क्या है तुम्हारे पास, मैरो नहीं लोगे तो पीछे रह जाओगे. So first and foremost, there are other resources other than Marrow अवेलेबल फॉर फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स. अगर आपको यूएसएमली बेस्ड रिसोर्सेज नहीं पढ़ने, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि वो हमें मिल नहीं रहे या उनकी हमें इंग्लिश समझ नहीं आ रही, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैरो इज़ ऑल्सो इन इंग्लिश. मैरो हिंदी में नहीं है, मैरो की लैंग्वेज इज़ ऑल्सो इन इंग्लिश. एंड सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल, अगर आपको इंडियन वीडियोज़ एंड इंडियन रिसोर्सेज चाहिए जो कि फ्री हैं, तो वो भी अवेलेबल हैं. So there is a website called NPTEL, which is a national program on technology enhanced learning. So this was an initiative by Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. So it is an Indian initiative. भारत सरकार ने MBBS स्टूडेंट्स के लिए फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड प्रॉफ के फ्री वीडियोस अवेलेबल कराए हैं फॉर ऑल द कंटेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ईयर. इट इज़ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. इट इज़ एन इनिशिएटिव बाय IIT Madras with the help of Ministry of Human Resource Development. And what they have done, you can go on to NPTEL website, and it has national coordinators from AIIMS, BGMC Pune, Christian CMC Vellore, Manipal, and even PGI. PGI के professors have taught first and second year subjects के topics, complete topics of first and second year for free. So, for example, I'll tell you about pathology. So in pathology, you can see that the GFR and renal physiology is taught by Dr. A.K. Dinda. So he was a teacher in MBBS when I did my MBBS from AIIMS, and he has taught all the entire kidney in this course for free. Similarly, you can see that in pharmacology, the entire syllabus is taught by faculty, nationally renowned faculty from very good institutes, central institutes, and some very good state medical colleges. So this topic is taught by PGI faculty, Dr. Bikash Medhi. And similarly, you can find topics of biochemistry from Manipal University professors. Similarly, you can find topics on anatomy by KMCH faculty, by GMC Amritsar faculty, and also other topics of renal physiology and all other topics. There are faculty from CMC Vellore, there are faculty from AIIMS Delhi, as well as Manipal and other very reputed medical colleges. So अगर आपको चाहते हो कि हमें इंडियन रिसोर्सेज दो, हमें एम्स दिल्ली की फैकल्टी से पढ़ना है, हम जानना चाहते हैं कि एम्स दिल्ली के स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसा क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो वो सब अवेलेबल है. सो व्हाट माय स्ट्रैटेजी टू यू इज, सो फॉर ईयर्स व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड फॉर फर्स्ट एंड second prof, people were using standard textbooks, and that was for a reason. For third and fourth prof, the PG studies were more PG oriented, and prof oriented studies were there because the syllabus of third and fourth prof is huge vis-a-vis the syllabus of first and second prof, which is limited. And in third and second prof, the standard textbook were used according to people. कुछ लोग पढ़ते थे, कुछ लोग नहीं पढ़ते थे, बट उससे चल जाता था because the more importance of third and fourth prof was given to clinics, and professors hardly used to come to take lectures, versus first and second year, in which professors were more interested and were more available to take lectures. And hence the concept of review books, coachings and apps started initially in third and fourth year only. As you remember, डैम्स भाटिया और भी जो पुराने कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स थे उनकी कोचिंग थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ईयर में स्टार्ट हुई थी, नॉट फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ईयर, बिकॉज पीपल डिड नॉट नीड देम इन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ईयर, राइट. एंड the problem with third and fourth year lectures also was that half of them never happened because professors were busy in clinics. Some of them even did not used to come to take lectures. This was true in AIIMS Delhi also. Half of our lectures were taken by either SRs or they never happened because the faculty did not come. And more importantly, in third and fourth prof, both in internal assessment, both in profs, the importance is given more of clinics than theory. And hence for theory, people were dependent either on review books, coaching, or now apps, because the syllabus of third and fourth prof is huge. And the standard textbooks of third and fourth prof are bulky. So Harrison has 3,000 to 4,000 at 3,000 pages versus first and second year books which are limited. So Lippincott for biochemistry is limited. Ganong for physiology is limited. The only big book for first and second prof is Robbins, and I would highly recommend you to read that because Robbins is one gem of a book. It has physiology, it has pharmacology, it has pathology, and even concepts of medicine. So it will cover a lot of your MBBS just by reading one book. So what used to happen for first and second year, even after the onset of coaching apps, review books, was that people still used to read standard textbook because compulsory attendance was there in first and second prof in a lot of medical colleges, and hence students did not have time to attend coaching or read from apps. So supposedly you are reading a chapter from Marrow of first and second year prof, and you see 1 hour lecture of that topic, but if you are reading only from Marrow, you have to pause in between to make notes, or if you have pre-made notes, then you have to pause in between to add additional points. So एक मैरो लेक्चर पढ़ने में आपको 1 घंटा नहीं 2 घंटे लग जाएंगे. आप सोच लो, अगर 70 लेक्चर्स हैं एक सब्जेक्ट के, 3 सब्जेक्ट हैं फर्स्ट ईयर में, 221 घंटे हो गए. एक लेक्चर को आपको नोट्स बनाने में 2 घंटे लग गए, तो 400 एक दिन में तो एक ही चैप्टर पढ़ पाओगे ना, एक ही लेक्चर देख पाओगे, क्योंकि कॉलेज में और भी काम करने हैं, फेस्ट भी करना है, स्पोर्ट्स भी करने हैं, मस्ती भी मारनी है, इवेंट्स भी लगाने हैं. मैक्स टू मैक्स अगर आप ये भी मान लो कि मैं डेली पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो एक लेक्चर से ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाओगे अनलेस यू हैव लाइक एग्जाम्स कमिंग अप. उसके टाइम पर ज़्यादा पढ़ाई हो जाती है. तो देर इज़ नो वे यू विल बी एबल टू कम्प्लीट योर एंटायर सिलेबस इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग योर स्टडीज़ एंटायरली फ्रॉम एन ऐप. एंड उससे क्या होगा, आपकी स्टडीज़ टुकड़े में हो जाएगी. कुछ चीज़ें आपने वहाँ से देखी, कुछ चीज़ें फिर आपको लगेगा ओ ये तो यहाँ से रह गई, फिर उसको यहाँ से देखना शुरू करोगे, तो एक कंपाइल्ड दिमाग में रिपोजिटरी नहीं बनेगी ऑफ द एंटायर इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड यू विल रन आउट ऑफ टाइम. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू फिनिश सिलेबस, एंड दिस विल इनडायरेक्टली लीड टू पुअर परफॉर्मेंस. सो स्टिक टू वन सब्जेक्ट, स्टिक टू वन सोर्स, एंड फॉर फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ईयर आई वुड रिकमेंड यू टू स्टिक टू standard textbooks. Robbins, I think you should definitely read, and if you don't believe me, even Marrow faculty themselves say in their lectures that you should first read standard textbooks, because Marrow lectures are not oriented for first and second year prof students. They're oriented for PG preparation students who have already read these standard textbooks. So they assume that you have already read these standard textbooks. So for study strategy for first and second, third and fourth, interns and post-interns is totally different. For first and second year, you should definitely stick to your standard textbooks. And if you have any doubt in understanding any concepts, use free resources that are available. I told you about NPTEL websites. There are other free resources, better conceptually oriented videos of Lyman Riemann, Pathoma videos, Kaplan videos, which are available for free. You can watch these videos. Even I watched some of these videos, and they have pretty good conceptual understanding, more than Indian lectures. Read standard textbooks for first and second year. They are very well written. They are complete for NEET PG. And moreover, if you are preparing for INI CT, it contains more information, more weightage of questions from first and second year. And those questions directly come from standard textbooks. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you like this video, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.